Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for Price That Wig. Can you guess how much this wig costs? Stay tuned to find out. Comment below if you have the blessed number. Hey girl, hey! Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Linghang hair. I believe that's how you say the name. It's a little hard to pronounce, so I will type the name up here and spell it out so you can see the name of the hair company. But yeah, it's a pink bang synthetic wig, and yeah, so this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to just go ahead and do this video live recording, and instead of speeding up the process and recording it, I'm just going to do the full video right now and take you through the process with me. So it came in this Amazon packaging right here. So I got my scissors right here. And I'm gonna cut it open. It's working? It's working. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have you subscribed? Did you subscribe? No. Did you subscribe? Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Are you subscribed? Okay, good. Back to the scheduled program. And don't forget to like and leave a comment. Okay, good. Now that we got that out the way. So, here it is. It's in this packaging right here. And yeah. So, do I need the scissors? I'm gonna try to just rip it open. Really rip it open. There we go. It's cute pink packaging. I'm a big fan of pink. Alright, and then it's in this yellow packaging. And yeah. And this is the wrong wig. Skirt! I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Let's try that again. So that's a different wig. That's a whole nother video. All right, so let's open this packaging. Well, we could just rip it open. Here we go. It's in a black packaging. And here's the wig. And this is the packaging. So this is not the name of the brand, but this is the packaging. And this is the wig. Comes with care instructions. And this is not the name of the brand. But I will put the name up here somewhere in the description, in the title, somewhere. Okay. So this is the wig. Okay. We are going pink. So she has black roots and is pink on the ends. And yeah, take this out. And let's get this card off. Okay, we need our scissors again. Okay, so got our care instructions. And yeah, so we got that off. This is the wig cap construction. This is how it is. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the cap because I like to have my wig to be snug. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix the cap now. The hair feels pretty soft so far. For synthetic hair, I'm gonna run my hands through. It's not tangling too much for synthetic hair. It's not tangling too much, so that's pretty good. Well, it's not tangling at all, really. It's gliding pretty through, as you can see. I like the curl pattern, so that's cute. And this is the bang, so you can see the bang right here. Yeah, and then this is the parting. You can see the parting right here. And yeah, I like the parting. Looks simple enough for a bang. And this is the bang. This is the wig. We have the wig. So yeah. So this is the hair. This is how it comes. Yeah. So it's pretty soft. Could run my hands through it pretty smoothly, so that's pretty good. And even if there was to tangle with synthetic hair, typically you're gonna get tangles. This is the wig spray that I recommend that you get if you're gonna do synthetic hair. This wig spray, okay, I'm telling you, will bring your synthetic wigs back to life. Period. This will bring it back to life. A little spray, it's like it's a new wig. It's a whole new wig, okay? Like, this ain't nothing to play with. Okay? I'm gonna put it in the description. If you get this wig, or you have a synthetic wig and it needs to be revived, or you're wearing synthetic wigs and you don't have this wig spray, you need to get this wig spray. I'm telling you, you heard it here. If you don't have it, you need to try it. Then thank me later. Put it in the comments. I tried it and Bree was right. It is what it is. This is everything. Put it in the comments. You're welcome. Okay. So what else is in here? And wig caps. Always can use extra wig caps. Gotta love wig caps. So yeah, and then drop the wig. Didn't drop the wig. Okay, she's alive. She's alive, guys. She's alive. Okay. So, this is hair from Wiggins Hair. I had it on for about a week now, and I'm about to just plop her off. The glue has done come off, so it's really a glueless wig at this point. It was just sitting on my head. So yeah. All right, and I'm gonna just plop this baby right on this new wig right on. Drop the scissors. another pair of scissors right here. There we go. I need a comb or something. Okay, I'm trying to figure this thing out. Okay, so I got the bang in my face. There's a couple of hairs in the front that are bothering me. So I'm gonna just cut those off. Couple hairs in the front that are bothering me. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead, comb it out. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little something with this. Do a little bang in the front. Gonna part this. And take half of this up. Take half of this up. And go ahead and get our spray. part in a ponytail, and the other half is down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these pieces in the front and I'm gonna just cut them. So I'm gonna just start a little lower. These scissors are kind of dull, so I need to get back down on the ground and pick up my other scissors. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I'm gonna start a little lower. I'm just gonna go and frame my face. With this. And come to the front and get a little shorter. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So just take these front pieces and frame my face. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna come over to the sides, and I'm just gonna cut just a little bit off on this side. And no, there's no method that I'm going. I'm just kind of just cutting some to add some layers in here. There's no method to it. It's synthetic hair, so it's not gonna matter. But I'm just picking up like the sides and just cutting some layers into it, so it'll be a little more fuller looking. I'm gonna go over here and just cut just a little bit more off. And then I'm just gonna twirl with my hand. cut a little bit more off on this side. I want it to be a little bit shorter. Okay, so there we go. And then I'm gonna take, let's fix my dress. Okay. And then I'm gonna just take this inner piece here, right here. Take this piece right here. And I'm gonna grab some Got to Be Glued. And I'm gonna just take about that amount. And I'm just going to pull this piece down here. And just put that all over this piece right here. There's a little like stringy piece right here. I'm just cut that off. No worries, guys. It's synthetic hair. Shoot. Sometimes even if it's a human hair, I mean, that's what you bought it for. But even better when it's synthetic. I mean, you can have fun. You can play with it. It's just weave. That's what makes it unbelievable. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this and I'm just going to wrap this around the ponytail part to cover up the black band that's on here. So I'm gonna just take that and cover the band up that's on here. Like so. I'm gonna grab a bobby pin and just pin that in. If you have time, you could really get a silk scarf and lay it down, because it'll honestly lay down that way. But yeah. And then you'll take some Got to Be Glue freeze spray and just spray that in. This wig was $20.
Wow.
So this is a sponsored video. So this wig was free for me, but it was a $20. It's a $20 wig. So it's only $20 for this wig, which isn't bad. It's not tangling, so yeah. So I'm just letting that freeze for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, she can count. Claps for me. There's some clap emojis in the comments. That's what I do at my nephew. Whenever he does something good, we clap. Okay, so this is the look. This is how it came out. And yeah, this is the look. This is how it came out. This is the look. this is the look. This is how it came out. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And yeah, thanks for watching. It's the final look. Thank you for watching. Until next time.